Pistons work by transferring the force output of an expanding gas in the cylinder to a crankshaft, which provides rotational momentum to a flywheel. Such a system is known as a reciprocating engine. A piston is a moving disc enclosed in a cylinder which is made gas-tight by piston rings. The disc moves inside the cylinder as a liquid or gas inside the cylinder expands and contracts. A piston aids in the transformation of heat energy into mechanical work and vice versa. The piston head is the top surface closest to the cylinder head of the piston, which is subjected to tremendous forces and heat during normal engine operation. A piston pin bore is a through hole in the side of the piston perpendicular to piston travel that receives the piston pin. There are three types of pistons, each named for its shape: flat top, dome, and dish. As simple as it sounds, a flat top piston has a flat top. Dish pistons present the least problems for engineers. Features include the piston head, piston pin bore, piston pin, skirt, ring grooves, ring lands, and piston rings. The piston head is the top surface closest to the cylinder head of the piston, which is subjected to tremendous forces and heat during normal engine operation. Pistons are commonly made of a cast aluminum alloy for excellent and lightweight thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity is the ability of a material to conduct and transfer heat. Aluminum expands when heated, and proper clearance must be provided to maintain free piston movement in the cylinder bore.